my name is Parabi, and Baki Billa and me, we are teammate, and we have a big digital marketing agency, and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This is our website www.fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here. And I am CEO and founder of this agency. And we have lot of previous work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find there are previous work history we have attached here. This all of our previous client. And if you go next pages, then you will find more and more previous work history. As you see, this guy is from USA. He hired us for $500 work. This guy is from China. This guy is from USA. This guy is from France. This guy is from Czech Republic. And maximum of our buyer from USA. And we have a lot of skilled freelancer working in our agency. If you go to our team sections, then you will find there are 300 plus skilled freelancer working in our team. And if you go next pages, then you will find more and more freelancer. And Baki Billa is one of them. And our team member work beside our agency. They work on Fiverr and Upwork also. So we have a YouTube channel, sir. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Self. On this channel, we have gained 223K subscriber and uploaded 184 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.7 million views, 962K views, 599K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO, sir. So that is all about our
Right.
agency. So recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So basically, we have got some on-page problem. On-page problem means your video title are not SEO optimized, your video description are not SEO optimized, and you are not using high volume rank tags to your videos. So if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead, sir.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'd be interested in fixing those things. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, sir, for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video title tags and descriptions, and we will fix all of the problems, 10 videos, and it costs $120 and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is monthly package. In our monthly package, we will optimize your 30 video, all of the things, and it costs $300 and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your choice. Which package do you want to choose?
Sorry, can I understand that correctly? So the first one is $120 and it's for 10 videos,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
the other one is $300 for 30 videos.
yeah,
Okay. And it takes 30 days.
yeah.
And then what kind of so this is basically just changing the kind of metadata, is it, of the videos, the descriptions, the titles, optimizing that sort of stuff. So there's no changes that are done to the actual video or anything like that.
Yeah, we change your metadata and we also recharge high volume rank tags for your videos. High volume rank tags means which tag has high search volume but competition is low. That type of tags we will pick for you according to your niche, and we will put that type of tags. And when we fix that type of tags to your videos, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, go on top.
Okay. And the, what about things? I know that thumbnails and obviously titles, that's what you're mentioning, but what about the thumbnails? Is that something, because I know a lot depends on that. Um, do you request, like, I mean, do you give any advice on those if they need changing or anything like that?
Yeah, obviously, if you want, we also can help you to creating your thumbnail attractive and eye-catchy thumbnail, and we also can help you assist your video editing also. And we will also advise you what should you improve to your channel, and how is the condition of your competitor, and what you have lacking on your channel according to your competitor. So all of the things we can assist you.
Okay. But things like thumbnail images, is that included in the price?
No, it's not included in the price, but if you want, we can create thumbnail for you as a free of cost at first. And after
Um,
if you chose our design, then after 1 or 2 or 3 thumbnail creations, then per thumbnail creation is $5 only.
okay. Okay. So, I mean, I think what I would like to do is, yeah, maybe if we could sort of work on, say, if you're able to do, say, 3 thumbnails included in the price,
Yeah.
so that I can see how they're going to look, and then I'd then be happy to sort and then also can see the progress, and then I might be able to sort of say, okay, let's come back and get all of these thumbnails done. Um, so, um, okay, so let me just speak with my business partner. So it's three, so 30. I'd be interested probably in doing 30 videos, because I think once you've got enough videos looking good, then your whole channel starts to do well. And I'm at the stage where I've got enough subscribers to be part of the YouTube the program, but I don't have enough watch hours yet. So I need to get more volume to it.
Okay, okay, I see. So we obviously help you to increase your watch time, no problem. So you think
Yeah.
about it and discuss with your partners and let us know. So I think you would be satisfied because we will try our best to grow our client channel, and it would be very
Yeah.
pleasant for us if we can work with you.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. Let me check with him and I'll get back to you.
Okay, okay, sir. So thanks for your time and bye for now. Bye bye.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.